Hey everyone, today we're checking out one of Blender's super handy free add-ons, the Bool tool. It gives you some great keyboard shortcuts that make modeling a whole lot faster and easier. First, I'll show you how to install the add-on. It already comes built into Blender. And then I'll walk you through the shortcuts I use the most. I'm using Blender 4.5 here, but these shortcuts should work in any version as long as the add-on is installed. I'm going to install the Bool tool add-on now. And don't worry, this process works the same way for any add-on. Head up to the Edit menu and open Preferences. Then go to the Get Extensions section. In the search bar, start typing Bool, and when Bool tool appears, just click Install. After that, click the little three-line menu in the corner and select Save Preferences. Once that's done, you can close the Preferences window. To start the demonstration, I'm going to set up the scene. First, I'll select the light and camera and delete them. Then I'll add a new cylinder and move it off to the side. Now in edit mode, I'll adjust the cylinder's scale. I'm doing this in edit mode so I don't have to apply the scale later, like I would if I changed it in object mode. Next, go back into object mode and press N to open the side panel. Scroll down to the Edit tab and click the arrow next to Boolean to open the Bool tool options. Here you'll see two sections, Auto Boolean and Brush Boolean. The cylinder, which will be our cutter object, is already selected. Hold Shift and click on the cube. Now the cube has the yellow outline, meaning it's the active object, while the cylinder is still selected but not active. If you click any of the four buttons in the Auto Boolean section, Blender will immediately apply the Boolean. This makes it a destructive action, which is why I prefer using the Brush Boolean section with shortcut keys instead. So I'll undo that. When you press Ctrl plus numpad minus, you get the same difference operation, but it's non-destructive. The cutter object is moved into a new collection and shown as a wireframe. When you press Ctrl plus numpad plus, you get the union operation. Press Ctrl plus numpad asterisk to do an intersect. And Ctrl plus numpad / for the slice operation. Slice gives you two pieces, kind of like doing difference and intersect at the same time. If you expand the cube object in the outliner, you'll see the sliced piece has been made a child of the cube. These are all the shortcuts that are super useful when modeling in Blender. And that's it for this tutorial on the Bool tool and its super useful shortcuts. If I missed any shortcuts, feel free to let me know in the comments. And if you've got any questions, drop them down there too. I'm always happy to help. I'd also love to hear your tips or feedback on how I can make these videos even better. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram and share your projects with me there. And of course, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Blender tutorials.